Hey guys, this is National Stock Trading Academy. My name is Dave, and today actually we are calling it something different. So instead of showing you the profits and live trading and all that, we thought a new segment which we are currently calling Technical Tuesdays, because we were planning that if we just keep posting the profits making video and live trading video, you guys are not gonna get so much out of it. So this is a clip from our trading room which was held last week, so where you can see how do we do the analysis, how we make the prediction for the market. So you can see after that how the market played out. So without wasting time, let me show you the clip so you can have the glimpse of NSTA analysis and short of our strategies. Get started. So Mitesh is holding the C for this. So I think this is going up, you can see. So I think you are holding 1100 to 11,200 wala na ek. So see that Nifty is going to tag that top, that's for sure. But the problem is expiry is within this week and your contract is out of the money. So वो जो 200 वाला you need to figure that out. Otherwise जो 100 वाला है that is in the money right now, right? So वो zero नहीं होगा अगर ये if Nifty keep holding this level. But pay attention on 200. maybe अगर 200 वाला भी in the money हो जाता है, so that will be also good, right? So just pay attention on this candle, then we can execute some buys or sell. Now if you are planning to trade it in a new way, if you see this structure as this, we need to wait for any sell setup which we don't have right now. Remember yesterday we had a buy setup in the morning itself. Now can we buy right now? Only swing trade can be bought as of now. 11,200 half k. Yeah, sure. Yeah, so what I was saying, only swing trade can be executed, putting this stop anywhere wherever you find the support or something. But intraday buy right now might be dangerous. So let's see how this impulse react, and within 15-10 minutes we might execute some nice trade for intraday. I'm trying to find some accumulation on lower time frame which we don't have as of now. Let's see how what this is going to react. Now Nifty Bank is close to that thing. Now Nifty Bank is actually within this complete structure. I cannot say that this is this is the recent one, but the bigger one is this. Now how it's going to react to that thing, that's the question. It's also not like looks like a ending diagonal kind of thing. So see, we don't have a divergence over there, so which means this is just like buy sell buy sell buy sell, that kind of has happened over there, and this kind of things has developed. Now how do you look that thing? I still haven't figured this thing out, but I am convinced that this could be a potential next impulse, this one, and this was the accumulation for that one. So if that is the process, we might get outside of this structure from this leg itself. Do we have a buy setup right now? In Bank Nifty we do have, but this is also showing how we need to attempt two buys. If you're buying it right now, you're close to this top, so we might see some profit booking or some retracement kind of thing. So if this trade gets break even, or if you get stopped out with a lower risk, because this will be the proper risk in this. Yeah, so if we get stopped out from here, we need to re-entry, we need to take the re-entry again, because as of now this is just upside. So we would be just looking at a buy side, not in a sell side. Let's see how that thing is developing.